Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be giving you providing you the basic understanding about the entire interface about the Excel, what all are these options that you can use for, right? Other than these, in below beneath that, like as I am going in home, then what are all these options? In insert category, what are all these options? Page layout, what does page layout stand for? Formulas, data, review, view. Likewise, not in depth but a brief understanding about the overall Excel interface I will provide you today. So let's begin. So to begin with home, now here you will see certain options like cut, copy, and formatting. Now let's say if you want to formatting is what the pattern, the design that you want to format it to any other cell. Like this pattern over here, there is this pattern implementation cost. I want this pattern to be, to be there for this particular quantum of facade green as well. So what I will do, I will click on this, I will click on format quantum of facade green. The same pattern I have got here, right? With the same cell and everything, same style, same font style, bold and everything, same color. Okay. Likewise, now what I will do, I will do Control Z. Okay, that was just an example. Now the same thing if I want to do in a shortcut manner, in a short way, then what I will do is like Alt H F P. Okay, now here I will just click on it. So there are two options for this particular formatting. One is you go the old fashioned way, you click on this and then you click here. Your formatting is complete, and let's say if you want to look cool in your office, then what you can do is you can first select the particular cell that you want to format. First I will select this, then Alt H F P, right, and click. So this is the other way you can do, you can work around. Okay. Likewise, there are these options like here you can set your style of font, right? Here if you want to do bold, incline, underline, all that you can do. Okay. You must be knowing it. I will not go in that much of detail. Here you can increase the size of the font. If you don't want to type over here, you can click on this, then also the font size will increase. If you click here, the font size will decrease. Okay. Here let's say if you want to, highlight the text with any random color, so you can highlight it. And let's say if you want to fill the color in the cell, so you have to select this to write. So highlighting, so for, let's say, for filling up the color, you want to fill the color. So one is this, you can do like this. The other way is Alt H H, right? If you will press Alt H H, then this window will open, then you can select it. So that's a shortcut. Okay. Again Alt H H, this window got open. Now I can highlight that, right? Now if I want to highlight that same text, so one is the old fashioned way is this, like you will click on it and it will get open. Let's say your mouse is not working, then in that case what you will do is like Alt H F C. Okay, then it will open. So again, for filling the color inside the cell, then Alt H H, the color will get filled. And for filling the font color, the written color, the text, if you want to fill, then Alt H F C, then your text will get filled. Okay. So these are the shortcuts that you can use later on. These are the alignments. Just for example, this is for the center, this is for the right side, this is for the left side. This is the way. So again, if your mouse is not working, then there is a shortcut for this too. Let's say if you want to go for the center, then instead of clicking over here, all you need to do is Alt H A C, it will come to center. Now if I want to move to the right hand side, then Alt H A R. Okay. If I want to move to the left, Alt HAL. So in this particular shortcut, you might have noticed like there are few common keys. Alt HA. So like if I want to move it to center, then I have to press by default Alt H A, but the center stand for C, then I have to add C to it. So Alt H A C. Likewise, if I want to move that text to the right hand side, then Alt H A will be there, but I'm moving that text to the right, so Alt H A R, right? Likewise, Alt H A L. Okay, so this is how you can, you can do it. Now for the above thing, here, if I want to, bring it to the middle, then yeah, I have to click this. If I want to bring it to the top, then I have to click this, right? So the same thing if I want to do with the help of the keyboard shortcuts, and what I will do, Alt H A M, right, middle, Alt H A top, right? So it has come to the top. So these are the shortcuts that you can use, right? For the merge thing, probably you must be knowing it. If you want to merge to cell, then you need to click on that merge and center. Let's say again there is a shortcut for merge and center also. Alt H M C. So see, right? Alt H M C. See, all this got merged within second. So if I want to use this a shortcut, then Alt H M C, then my cell will get merged. Just for example, Alt H M C, right? This is how you can practice it, right? If you want to wrap tags, so again you can click on it. Wrap tags is used when, when the data is more, and you want to sum it up small small column. See here the data is more. Now I want to sum it up. So I will do a wrap tags, right? Here also I will do wrap tags, and I will double click it. So likewise, if I want to, so these are the keys, these are the features that you can use in terms of numbering. Now 17.80 is there, right? I want to see a whole number only. Then what I will do, I will click on this. So after clicking this, it will sum it up. 17, it was 17.8, so that's why it automatically it has been summed up to 18. Likewise, if I do here, click this, then it was 4.74, so it will sum it up to 5, right? For 0.132, it will as you have seen, it was 0.1, that's why it has summed up to 0. Like, now if I want to go back to my normal mode, like my number how it was earlier, so I have to click on this particular thing, right, in the on this feature, then it will go back to the normal how it was earlier. So after doing this, there are multiple features about the conditional formatting which I will showcase in the upcoming videos, because for the conditional formatting there are multiple things you can play with it. In one video it won't be possible for me to cover all the features of the conditional formatting, right? So that's why I will focus for the condition. I will make a special video for the conditional formatting. In the future upcoming videos, there will be a special features. If anyone wants to, if anybody wants to know how to use, if you want conditional formatting, if you want me to, create that video as early as possible, then please comment it. I will go through it. I will see the demand. Then later on, I will definitely make one of the video as early as possible. I just want to know my audience what they want exactly. If other than this, if you want some other features, if you want to get the understanding about, you can comment me on that. I will make video regarding that. So there is no worry about it. So this is a table. So here I can create a table of it, right? Here is a cell style. What cell style I want to, highlight it with. So cell style, let's say I want to highlight like this, right? So yeah, here you can highlight your cells as per the background that you are getting here. You are getting the coloring and all the features are available here. Other than that, here insert cell, if you want to insert a new cell, insert sheet row, insert sheet column, right? Now insert cell. So for the insert cell, insert sheet row, insert sheet. So here I will give you I will show you a shortcut. If you want to insert a sheet, then what you have to do is like you have to press shift and space. Oh, sorry, shift and space. So once you press shift and space, it will select the entire row, right? So what I now I want to insert a new row, right? So control shift plus control shift I have to press, and along with that plus I have to add it. So along with that I have to add that plus as well. Now if I want to delete that, so control minus, right? So remember two things. One is, first I have to select the entire row, shift space. Once I will press shift space, the entire row got selected, then control shift plus, then the row will get added. If I want to delete the rows, then control minus, rows get deleted, right? Minus. So this how you can add new row in it. Let's say now about the column. Control space for the row. Once you want, when you want to select the row, when you want to select the row, then shift space. Then when you want to select a column, then control space. Shift space is for shift space is for row. Control space is for column. Let's say if I want to add a new column over here, same pattern. Control shift plus, the column are getting added as you can see, right? Let control shift plus, see. Now if I want to delete the column, control minus, these are the shortcuts for the column. Okay, and here is the summation, the formula basically. So instead of using this sum and average, I will just tell you the formula. Equal to sum tab, then you just need to select that, close. So don't use that, you can sum it up by this way. So this is the value of the overall summation, right? Now for the sorting and filtering also, I need to make an entire video because I want to give you the better understanding with better examples. So I will be highlighting those things. Find and select and replace, these are the things which you can do. Well, like there are the shortcut keys for this find and replace. Control F you have to press. Now here find what, now let's say I want to find a price written. If there is price written in this sheet, I will say find. See, it has find all. So these are like total four cells are there in which price are written. The first cell is the facade green cell. The second cell is for price for maintenance cell. The third cell is for price for facade green. The fourth cell is for price for maintenance. So likewise, you can find, if I want to replace price with money. So in replace with I have to add money, and I have to click on replace all. So all done. We made four replacement as there were four price written. So here you can see now the money for maintenance, money for facade green, money for maintenance. So likewise, money of facade green. So likewise, this four price text got replaced with money. Okay, so this was the thing for today's video. And about the last add-in feature, so it is nothing but the add-in feature that you can add from this is the basically you will be needing net for this. So here the shortcut software you can get. So in if you want to if you want me to make an add-in video separately for you guys to uh, get the good understanding about add-ins, how you can play with the add-ins, how you can add extra value to the Excel, to your Excel work, then please give me a comment. I will definitely provide a video on add-in also. Yes, so that's for all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Let's just hope and connect in the upcoming future videos. Yeah, okay, take care.